Bobby Teka, Bibi Gandang Gary slams Vice Ganda for statements from over 10 years ago. US-based model Bibi Gandang Gary commented on Kapamilya TV host Vice Ganda's statements about Bibi from about more than a decade ago. In a recent live video on Bibi's YouTube channel, Bibi said that though Vice's comments were from over a decade ago, it's Bibi's time to speak. Pinalampas ko yan noon. Look who's talking. Sino ba ang makapal ang makeup? Sabi ko nga, there's a time for everything. It's time to speak. Nung panahon na yan kung babalikan natin, hindi pa siya Vice Ganda. Kasi yan yung panahon na ang balita noon, ang sensation noon ay si Bibi Gandang Gary. Sumasakay siya, at gumamit ng mga hurtful words. Bibi also said that Vice is lucky that the It's Showtime host found stardom even if Vice is Bobita. Maswerte ka, sumikat ka, dahil Bobite ka. Yun lang ang masasabi ko sa'yo, Bibi said. Gandang Gary added that Vice shouldn't be called ganda, because the only beautiful thing about the comedian is the wig. 45 is 45. 52 ako. Tinawag niya akong matanda, diba? Tinawag niya akong matanda, aba, para sa akin, any ganda term cannot be, binibining Gandang Gary. Yung any ganda, yung term na ganda shouldn't be related to him kasi walang maganda sa kanya, honestly, Bibi said. Hindi ako nangungutya, but really, base sa napapanood ko at nakikita ko, minus the wig, baka may maganda sa kanya, yung wig. Honestly, maganda naman yung wig. Walang maganda so hindi siya si Vice Ganda, Bibi added. Bibi also encouraged followers to call Vice, Tanda, instead of, Ganda. From now on, Bibi Nation, we shall call this person Vice Tanda. Siya si Vice Tanda, okay. Bibi referred to Vice Ganda and Ricky Reyes, TV Patrol, interview where they shared their opinion on Bibi's transformation. In the interview, Vice questioned why Bibi's old self, Rostam Padilla, should be killed and also commented that Bibi's outfit seemed mismatched with Bibi's age as a 40-year-old model. Vice has since apologized for the remarks, telang, SNN, Showbiz News ngayon, in a 2009 interview. As for myself, reaction ko yung personal pero hindi ako nag-react para awayin si Bib. Walang ganon. Hindi ko inaaway si Bib. Hindi rin naman ako inaaway ni Bib. Wala siyang atraso sa akin. Hiningan lang ako ng reaction kaya nag-react ako, had I known na ma-offend siya, hindi na rin sana ako nagsalita. At since na-offend siya, nag-a-apologize ako, nag-react lang ako bilang fan ni Rostam.